Good morning, my name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. New day, new candles, no financial advice. Let's go. Weekly Bitcoin chart. Consensus moving averages are still okay. Down here we have the 30, here in the middle we have the 7, and up there we have the 3-period moving averages, and all of them are ascending and they are aligned in a bullish structure. On the weekly chart, what the bulls should focus on is keeping the price here above all the moving averages so that we could retain the ascending nature and the long structure of the moving averages. As long as the price action stays here around $23,500, $23,700, $24,000, there is no real danger of the two short period moving averages crossing down. As you know, the bearish cross of the two short period moving averages is a signal in the consensus system to decrease the bullish allocation to Bitcoin. Right now, we do not have that signal. The trend and momentum structure is looking good. Candles are green. This is my indicator, the Chartpunk HTF trading system indicator. It is using the consensus moving averages and is using a candle painting. Candles are green if the momentum behind the market is bullish, and candles are red if the momentum behind the market is bearish. We have gray candles if the momentum is neutral. If we take a look at the oscillators, then what we see is that the RSI is moving still very nicely. Its level of 56 is okay. I would like to see it above 60 or above 66 to be a little bit more content. But the fact that the RSI is still above its exponential moving averages, it's above 50, is a good sign for me. My own momentum oscillator, the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, is leaning down, unfortunately. That is a sign of caution. Let's take a look at the shorter time frames. 3-day Bitcoin chart. Here, the candle closes today and we have a potential bearish cross of the two short period moving averages. So if somebody is trading consensus system on the 3-day Bitcoin chart, then they should really focus on these current levels. If we have a candle close up here somewhere, that would be very nice, because notwithstanding a slight bearish cross, the ascending nature of the moving averages would still remain on the chart, which would be a bullish sign. And also the candles are looking very nicely. These long wicks to the downside, these are indicating demand on these levels. So 3-day consensus traders will have more information tomorrow. What is important for today is that this confluence zone of the two short period moving averages around $23,500-$600, this should be held by the bulls. What's more, the bulls should be able to trade Bitcoin up to somewhere around these levels, around these $24,000 levels. That would save us from a slightly bearish signal from the consensus trading system. Oscillators are still looking okay. However, the RSI is kind of divergent. You see higher top here than the previous high, and the RSI is going down in the same time. That is a bearish divergence. And what we see is that the RSI is still at a very good level. 63 is very, very strong, but it is under its exponential moving averages. So it is kind of in a neutral position. I would prefer to see the RSI back above 66. 1-day Bitcoin chart. This shows us perfectly how important this level here is. This is the confluence zone of the consensus moving averages. Right now, it is around 23,500 and it is currently acting as support. Price is going sideways in this level. There is a lot of supply and demand in this zone. Bulls and bears are fighting around this level. And if we can have a bounce from here, then the moving averages, according to the forecast, will return into a bullish structure, and that would save also the picture of the 3-day consensus structure. If we look at the oscillators, then the Chartpunk momentum oscillator has started to lean up. That is a good sign here on the daily chart. The RSI, however, okay, so it is a good sign that the RSI has been able to bounce from the 50 level, so it is still in bullish territory. It has returned above its exponential moving averages, which is also nice. However, it has not yet flipped the exponential moving average ribbon, and the long period exponential moving average is right now around 59. So the RSI would be bullish if we could return its level above this 59 level, let's say above 60, and I would be very, very happy if the RSI could finally breach this downtrend and continue its move upwards. Let's say if this trend could hold, if RSI goes in this apex and then is able to break out, that would be a very bullish momentum signal for me. I came down to the 8-hour chart, which is a kind of small time frame for me, but I want to show you something interesting here in the movement of the RSI. This is what I think is very important. Here we had a downtrend in the RSI, which has been breached. Right now, the RSI is trending upwards. And to me, it shows that this is the trend that the RSI is currently holding on the 8-hour time frame. This to me is showing a rise of momentum on the short time frame. So this is again some hopium that Bitcoin bulls could be able to bounce from this $23,500 zone. But we do not know this for sure. So we will revert on this chart tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you are enjoying this short daily Bitcoin updates. Come back tomorrow. Happy trading. Bye bye.